Wrap your feet in aluminium foil and see what happens after 1 hour. Many people in the world use aluminium foil to wrap their food while it's cooking. According to the experts, it has been discovered that aluminium foil is extremely useful and beneficial for treating and preventing muscular, back, neck, arm, leg and joint pain, as well as post-operative scars and burns. We are going to show you some amazing uses of aluminium foil which you probably never was aware of. Instead of just getting out the foil for cooking, try using it for some of these incredible health benefits. From treating the common cold and also for battling insomnia, this amazing product is excellent for many day-to-day problems. Helps with fatigue. Using the aluminium foil to get rid of fatigue is an old tradition according to the experts all over the world. You need to start by placing several aluminium foil strips in the freezer for about 2 to 4 hours. Then you should apply the strips to your face, specifically your cheeks or eyelids, and leave them on until you feel the muscles start to relax. After that, you can remove them. You will have noticed that the symptoms of fatigue and insomnia are gone for good. Soothe painful joints. Did you know that aluminium foil is great for treating painful areas of the body like arthritis, gout, sciatica and heel pain? To get the most out of this method, begin by wrapping the foil around the most painful area on your body and use a medical bandage to keep it in nice and secure. Then leave the wrap on overnight or while lounging around during the day. Repeat this for 10 to 12 days, then give your body a 2-week break. If the pain persists, repeat the process until it disappears. Alleviate fresh burns. Unfortunately, just a few people know that the elements found in aluminium foil can help soothe burns better than many other methods. Doctors dress fresh burns with aluminium foil. Here's what you need to do. Well, to heal your burn wounds, start by washing it with cold water and drying it with a soft cloth. Then apply a thin layer of burn ointment, followed by a sterile gauze. After that, wrap the gauze with aluminium foil and secure it with a medical bandage. Keep the wrap in place until you notice the pain leaving the area. Get rid of phantom pains. Yes, the experts say that aluminium foil may be the answer to your prayers. If you've recently undergone an amputation surgery or are experiencing phantom pains that you just cannot explain, you can also get rid of these painful bouts by wrapping some aluminium foil around the affected limb. Keep it in place with a medical bandage and leave it on until the pain has gone. Get rid of a pesky cold. You can also use aluminium foil to get rid of the cold and the flu. Yes, it's extremely important to know how to treat the symptoms without turning to antibiotics. You can use aluminium foil to do this by wrapping your feet in 5 to 7 layers, leaving it on for an hour or so and removing it. Let your feet breathe for 2 hours and then repeat the process with another 5 to 7 layer of foil. Give your feet another 2-hour breather and repeat the process one more time. Do this for about 7 days.